Implementing treatment protocols, also called treatment bundles, will help you speed up and standardize patient care in your practice. In order to add a new protocol, just go to Administration. On the left-hand side, you have to scroll down until you see Services. To add a new protocol, just click on Add Service. And first of all, you have to name that protocol. Let's say pre-medication cat, for example. You have to select a corresponding category. If you don't find any category that you might need in here, just have to go to Clinic Profile, go to Services, view all available services, and enable the ones that are missing. Once you enable the ones needed, you will also find them in the corresponding category. Third step is to select a price, and you can add products or consumables according to your protocol. These products will come up within the protocol each time you add it to a soap. Let's say, for example, we will use for this one buprenorphine and diazepam. Click on Save, and now you have a protocol created. If we look for it, pre-medication cat, you can expand and see details. And you can also click on the Actions button, edit it and delete it. You can also add services. Let's go back to Administration, Services, Add Service, and we can link our services with lab tests. Let's say, for example, for day X, the category will be lab. We will select a price, and if we have lab integrations like Antech, IDEX or Zoetis, we can just look for that specific test. Click on Save, and as well you are able to look for it, delete it, or edit the information from the Actions button.